Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup review and tutorial, kind of like a get ready with me of the new KKW Beauty Crystallized collection. This is her new holiday collection that actually comes out Wednesday, November 25th. So definitely check it out. I will be doing a full review of the collection. I tried it out yesterday for practice, but I came out with this look today. I actually think it came out better than yesterday, so I'm super excited about that. But I am so excited to share with you this collection because I feel like this PR box itself is just so inspiring of all the glam looks that KKW has done. And they're just so cute. Oh, and if you guys are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I do some beauty, fashion, and fitness videos here on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below, and also make sure to click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a video. But the collection is fire. So first of all, it came in this gorge box that I definitely am not gonna throw away. I'm probably gonna put it with my Skims doll over there and my Skims calendar. If you guys didn't see, I did model for Skims 1-year anniversary, so I have that vlog. I'll link it below. But the collection is so cute. The packaging itself is holographic, which I love, and the eyeshadow palette is bomb. It has a mixture of matte and shimmer colors, so if you're a matte girl, I'm actually mostly a matte girl, but lately I've just been really shimmery. So I love that there's both and you can mix it up, and it's not just all neutrals. There's a lot of fun shimmery crystal colors. So I love all of these shades. I actually just used this, and that. So I used like almost all of them, just not like the blues. I'll try out the other ones if you guys want me to do another tutorial, but really love this palette overall. I swatched all of them on my Instagram story, so I'll actually insert that video clip right here. The collection also has 3 different blush duos, and oh my gosh, it is so bomb. This one is peach. I actually didn't use it yet, but it is so gorgeous. I know it's gonna be so good because I tried the pink today. You guys will see it in the tutorial. It's fire. I'm wearing it right now, and this highlight is actually this right here. So they are amazing. Really love it, and really love the bronzer as well. It is a medium shade and it's very buildable, so I just kind of like worked it in my skin. Really love it as well. It is so fire. And there are 8 mini nude lip liners, and I love different shades of nude. I always have a different nude every single day. Actually, sometimes I want like a brownie nude, sometimes I want a pinky nude, sometimes I want an orangey nude. So I love that there are 8 different variations of nude. That's like my favorite anyways, and they're super creamy. I'm wearing one of the shades right now. This is the shade Russet, and it's so fire. I really love it. And there are 5 different nude glosses. Some are shimmery and some are matte. Really love these as well. I'm wearing the shade Classic Kim, and it's gorgeous. Like, I love it so much. So that is the Crystallized collection. If you guys want to watch this tutorial, please keep watching this video. So right now I just have foundation on, some concealer, and some brows, and we are going to try this palette. So first I'm going to take this light color right here. It is called Mother of Pearl, and I'm going to put it all over my lids for the base. I love that it's just like a really pretty light nude. It's very gorgeous. It kind of just like blends in with your skin and has like a really soft look. Next I'm going to take this warm gingerish color. It is called Sunstone, and I'm going to draw or like kind of like shade in the right where the lash line is on the top, and then kind of create like this like outer V with this warm shade. These are like my favorite kind of shades actually, like a warm color.
Yeah, I know I look good.
Just kind of like that, and then I'm gonna do it on this side. Obviously, if you have like a bigger crease, you can follow that. I love that it's like super pigmented and it's a very nice, warm color. So I kind of create like this like base with the light nude and then the orange and kind of create this like shape. So with the eyeshadow that's like already on, I kind of just like blend the eyeshadow so the outer V is actually kind of shaded in but kind of gradiently ombre in, so like the outer, this area is darker than the middle. So now I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's a bronzy orangey, really pretty metallic color, and shade the middle right here, like literally the middle of the lid, straight up.
Yeah, I know I look good, good.
I actually tried wetting it yesterday, which also looked very beautiful as well. I feel like shimmers, when you wet it with a setting spray, it shows up like even more. And next I'm gonna take this silvery metallic color called Cashmere Luster, and I'm gonna place this shade right at the beginning of the eye, like right here in the front.
I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie.
It's so convenient to have a long mirror on this palette because I could just use the palette and then use the mirror. So currently it looks like this, and now we are going to smoke it up with some of the darker shades. So I'm actually going to take this shade right here. This shade is called Matte Tiger's Eye, and I'm going to smoke out the eye, starting with the lash line.
This money and I made it myself. Now I'm glowed up and you stick by yourself.
Just slowly darken the outer V and take a blending brush and just kind of blend it out.
I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah.
The hardest thing for me when I start doing the darker shades is making it even on both sides, because I don't want to mess it up, because darker colors are really hard to like take down, you know. But so far looking good, and I am going to take a risk with this dark color. I haven't used this one yet, and take this shade. This is called Lava Stone. It is the darkest matte shade, and I'm gonna add a tiny bit to the lash line, like very tiny, and it's really gonna smoke out the eyes. You see the difference that it just did?
I don't need a man, yeah, I'm good by myself. Spending this money and I made it myself. Now I'm glowed up and you stick by yourself.
So now I'm gonna take this small fluffy brush and blend it a little bit more.
Baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type.
And then I'm gonna take a black eyeliner. This is MAC Smolder, and I'm going to line my waterline with black liner inside. And I don't want to do a wing line because I don't want to like change the entire makeup look, so I'm just gonna draw a really thin black line at the base of the eyeshadow.
Baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie.
just a really thin line. And do it on this side.
Before had your chance, but I'm not playing anymore. Come through, get your bags, let them at the door. Silly boy, silly boy, silly boy. Feeling good, change my hair, and you can't ignore.
And now we're gonna do the bottom lash line and smoke it out. So now I'm gonna take the KKW Crystallized palette again, and I'm gonna take one of the first colors we used, and then I'm gonna smoke out the bottom by just tapping in the color in the bottom lash line.
I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type.
And then I'm gonna take this shade right here, and then I'm going to add that halfway, just in the outer corner.
Yeah, I know I look good, good. Yeah, I know I look. Hit my cash app for all the time you wasted.
So now that we smoked out the bottom, I like to kind of like connect the top and the bottom by blending it together, so it kind of just creates a whole eye. And then now let's add the lashes. So the lashes I always wear and love so much are the Baddie Bee lashes in the style Baddie. They are amazing. I feel like they have like the full lash glam look, but they also are super curled up, but they also have a cat eye effect. So that's why I really love them. I think they are so gorgeous. So we're gonna add that to the eyes right now. So let's put on the lash.
Look good, yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look
so cute. Love how it looks.
Yeah, I know I look good, good.
Done with the eyes, and now let's move on to the cheeks and the lips. I'm gonna actually add a little bit of mascara, and then we'll go and do the cheeks and the lips. So now let's add some mascara to the bottom lash line. Sometimes I actually put mascara on my natural lashes under, like on the top lash, but today I didn't. I'm just gonna add some mascara on the bottom lash line, or like the bottom lashes.
I look better than all the girls that you knew before. Had your chance, but I'm not.
It always kind of smudges for me, but I just like to have it so it's just not plain, you know?
Silly boy, silly boy, silly boy. Feeling good, change my hair.
I actually really love this mascara, the NARS Climax Extreme. And then now let's move on to the face. So now we are going to bronze the face. This is the KKW Beauty Blush Duo in Classic Bronze. It has the matte and shimmer shades. I'm gonna take this big Sigma large powder brush, F20, and I'm gonna take the matte shade first. And I'm gonna just slowly make some circles and bronze my cheeks.
I look fly, baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know.
And then I'm gonna do the jawline. I love that the bronzer is buildable, and it's a really pretty medium brown shade that you can adjust. So since I didn't really contour my nose or anything like that, I'm gonna actually take this Edge Precision brush from Sigma, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the matte, and I'm just kind of gonna contour my nose a bit. And now I'm gonna actually take the same brush, and I'm gonna take the shimmer side of the bronzer and add a little bit to the hollows of my cheeks, just on top of it, so there's like a little shimmer on top. And what I like about the shimmer, it's actually a little bit warmer, so it kind of just like blushes it up. But we're gonna add the blush next. So now we're gonna add the blush. This is the KKW Beauty Blush Duo in the Classic Pink. and the shades are so pretty. I'm gonna take this pretty soft blend 60 brush from Sigma, and I'm gonna add the top matte color and just add a little to the apples of my cheeks. Blush it up, and the lighter color, the shimmer, I'm gonna actually try to add it where the highlight would go, just kind of like that. Ooh, it's so pretty. It actually works as a highlight as well.
Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie.
Yes, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This might be my fave. And I'm also gonna add it to the bridge of my nose. Love. Wow. I'm actually gonna add it to my Cupid's bow as well.
Girls that you know before had your chance, but I'm not playing anymore. Come.
And now let's do the lips. I didn't know that this was gonna come out as a highlight, like, till I did my makeup today with it. So now we're gonna do the lips. I actually tried this combo yesterday and it was so bomb. So I'm gonna try it again today on camera for you guys. This is the lip liner in the shade Russet. It's so gorgeous, you guys. Like, it's gorge.
Stick by yourself. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type.
And the lip gloss I also tried yesterday was the shade Classic Kim.
Good. Yeah, I know I look good. Good. Yeah, I know I look.
I am obsessed with this lip combo. It's everything. I'm done with all my makeup, so let's put on some setting spray. This is the Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist.
I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type.
Alright guys, so that is my finished makeup look using the KKW Beauty Crystallized collection. This is her holiday collection and I feel like it is the perfect gift, or for yourself, why not? I feel like the makeup came out so amazing. Love all of the classic blushes and bronzers. They're just so amazing, and the lip glosses and the lip liner. And I love that the lip liner is mini, because whenever I go somewhere I actually like to bring my lip liner with me, and a lot of lip liners are really long and it actually doesn't fit fully in my purse. So I love that the KKW Beauty lip liners are mini and for your purse. Love that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Also click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah.